Hi guys, it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and I wanted to show you what I'm making for dinner tonight. It's a rainy day here in Los Angeles and I have two sick children home from school, so everyone's sort of under the weather and we're really cold. I also just paid my property taxes and got a giant bill from my epidural 2 years ago, so it's December and my bank account is not looking good. So for all of those reasons, I am making curry tonight, which is like this is a Japanese golden curry, and it's like a Japanese slightly spicy beef stew often. It can be made with meat. I'm doing a vegetarian version tonight, so I wanted to share this quick trick with you because it is great for cold weather. It is very inexpensive. This is a convenience item and budget stretcher for me, and my family really enjoys it. This is not a kosher product, this golden curry. It's a Japanese product that if you keep ingredients kosher, no meat contained, should be fine for you. If you do keep strict kosher, you could probably get away with making this on your own by using curry powder and some form of thickener like a cornstarch slurry to make with like any type of broth to make this type of a stew. In today's version, I am using up an onion and several carrots that I sauteed in oil on the bottom. And then my youngest daughter loves celery, so I've used most of a head of celery chopped, 3 small potatoes diced, and I'm going to fill this pot with water, cover it to simmer, and break up this bouillon of golden curry, break it up and let it dissolve into this curry liquid. And after about 15 to 20 minutes, my potatoes will be cooked through and this will be ready to serve over rice. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. It's a really quick and easy trick. We are trying to keep costs low, so we're doing a vegetarian version today, but this is also a really wonderful dish to make and then add in any meat that you have on hand, whether it's a leftover rotisserie chicken or stew meat that you've had in the freezer and you want to use up. And let me know what you think. If you make soups and stews over the cold winter months, I would love to hear what your recipes are. Always leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and thanks so much for being here as always. Bye-bye.